Hey everyone, Paul here. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video, show you a tool I got and two new castings I got for the next customs that I am going to be prioritizing. So let's open up the tool.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
So I got this handheld heat gun because I had a project with an issue that had hazing on the clear coat. I don't do much clear coating unless the project itself calls for like a wet looking finish. And then I found out, of course I had to do research with all the mistakes I was making. Correct me if I'm wrong, the hazing usually happens when the clear coat is applied to a cold or moist surface. And then I did some research and I saw that a heat gun could actually get rid of the hazing, but obviously you don't want to hold it on there too long to damage the finish either. So next clear coat project I am going to experiment with this heat gun. Next we have, I know this is a casting, I know there's a new car, I just don't know what it is. It's way too rough. So this is a Hot Wheels Porsche 987 Cayman S. I believe it's the 987. So this is going to be one of the next big projects. And finally we have this try to be delicate since this is still in the card. Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5 16. I am going to be stripping this down and adding a wider body. Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. I am trying my best to grow the channel, so if you have any questions, feedback, or suggestions on how to make my content better, please leave them in the comments section. And if you want to see more videos like this one, please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you can see more unboxings and more of my next DIECAST custom projects. I can't wait for this one. All right, thank you. See you later.